Come on, Lulu. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lulu, come on. Now, why don't you want to come up? Usually you can't. You have to, that's why those trash cans are there, to keep you from coming up. So I put the trash cans, give you room to come up, and now you won't come up. You gotta see all that snow out there.
Dust yourself off and just keep trying. I'm not reassured I'm not where I wanted it to be, but again, it's the motivation issues.
Come on, let's go. Come on. I have to show you. You have to see the snow, Lulu. You gotta see. Oh, come on. You gotta see all this snow.
Okay, can you clear the snow away from that door edge? You alright?
Yeah.
This broke.
How come you're shedding?
You got any duct tape? Like,
Nah.
what?
Somewhere. Duct tape. Do I have any duct tape?
Yeah. You can fix this.
Oh.
Fix this handle.
Fix the handle. What's the matter with it?
It's broke.
How about dog tape? We have any dog tape?
What?
Alright.
It's snow down here.
Hey, you should close that screen before.
Oh, you gonna stick over